Question 16. How to let other people join your project? Answer. To allow all trusted CVS users access to the repository, we will create a CVS users group. To do this, add CVS users x 4901 Jensen Tom to etc group to create a CVS users group, and add Jensen and Tom to it. Note: 4901 is not special, it is any number not already in use as a group ID or user ID. I used it because it is the default port for a CVSP server, which creates a nice link between the two. Question 17. How to create a CVS project? Answer. Suppose my project source code at home Jensen project mkdir home Jensen CVS export CVS root equals home Jensen CVS init cd home Jensen project CVS import m initializing sources in CVS project Jensen start. Question 18. What is Revision Control System (RCS)? Answer. CVS uses another program, Revision Control System (RCS), to do the actual revision management, that is, keeping the record of changes that goes with each source code file. Question 19. How does the CVS work? Answer. CVS works not by keeping track of multiple copies of source code files, but by maintaining a single copy and a record of all the changes. When a developer specifies a particular version, CVS can reconstruct that version from the recorded changes. Question 20. What is the difference between CVS NT and CVS? Answer. CVS NT is the Windows OS version of CVS. From a SCM perspective, they share similarity in purpose, commands including syntax and functionality. Both are freeware. Installation is a breeze for anyone who has a working knowledge of *Nix and Windows. Both can be accessed through clients. Question 21. How does problem management relate to configuration management? Answer. The problem management is related only when a configurable item having problem. Question 22. How can I bring my copy of JMRI code up to date? Answer. People contribute updates to the JMRI code almost every week. Your local copy doesn't get these changes until you ask for them, so that you've got something stable to work with. If you have an existing copy of the code and want to update it to the most recent contents of CVS. Question 23. How can I get my own copy of the JMRI code? Answer. To get a copy of the source for your own use, you can use anonymous checkout. For a command line CVS client, make a new directory for the project, change to it, and tell CVS you exist with CVSD, P server, anonymous at jmri.cvs.sourceforge.net skeptical smiley face, CVS root, JMRI login. This login line is only needed once. After that, it is remembered on your local machine. You may be asked for a password. If so, just hit return, as the empty password will be accepted. You can then get a copy of the code with CVSD, P server, anonymous at jmri.cvs.sourceforge.net skeptical smiley face, CVS root, JMRI core. All if you're using a GUI-based client like WinCVS, pull down the admin menu and select command line to get a place to type these commands. On other computers, you can type them directly on the command line. Question 24. How do I get a copy of CVS? Answer. Many computers come with CVS installed, including Linux and Mac OS X. If you're using Windows, you will need to install a CVS client program like WinCVS. A recent version can be downloaded from http://predownloads.sourceforge.net/cvsgi/wincvs120.zip. Question 25. How can I bring my copy of the JMRI code up to date? Answer. People contribute updates to the JMRI code almost every week. Your local copy doesn't get these changes until you ask for them, so that you've got something stable to work with. If you have an existing copy of the code and want to update it to the most recent contents of CVS. Question 26. How do I update an existing copy of the source to the current version? Answer. As the common code changes, you might want to update your copy to contain the latest version. To do that, use CVS Q update. Any changes will be merged into the files on your disk, and you should then be up to date with your own changes still present. The Q option removes a lot of informational messages as CVS enters the various directories in the project. The command still works if you omit it, but it will be harder to see any real error messages. Question 27. What are these messages about? DSN Discoursed O files. Answer. If you're using macOS X, CVS may give you messages about TOR files. These are used to keep track of window layouts, etc. To suppress these messages, just create a file in your home directory called CVS ignore and add a line of TOR to it. No code. CVS will then ignore all TOR files in all of your checked out directory trees.